today's episode of My Triton, we're installing Grunt, tailgate seal and strut kit. Let's get stuck into it. So as you know, I'm going to be living out of the back of the Triton for the next couple of weeks while I head up to Cape York. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that there's as little dirt and water getting into the back of the ute as possible. The Triton's tailgate is not sealed from factory, so I thought I'll get myself a tailgate seal kit, and it just so happened that the Grunt one came up in my online searches, so I grabbed that one. I also saw that Grunt do a tailgate assist kit, and I thought, well, not that expensive, might as well do it all at the same time. So in today's episode, what I'm going to be doing is installing the tailgate seal kit, the strut kit, and I think that'll tie in nicely with the rear end of the Triton, and that'll all be sealed up and ready to go to Cape York. So the installation of these kits are quite quick and easy. We've got our struts, our bolts, our washers, our little brackets and stuff. So we're going to get stuck into that real quick. We're going to install the tailgate assist first because that's the most time consuming, and then we'll get stuck into the tailgate seal. So the first step of the installation process is to remove your tailgate protector. In my case, I don't have one of those. I've got bully liner. You're then going to want to remove this covering on top of your tailgate. Now I've got bully liner on mine, so I've had to hook the bully liner out of the Phillips head bolts there. So what we'll do is we'll loosen them off and we'll remove this cover. So the tailgate inspection cover has been removed, and it's time to remove the cable from the driver's side. If you lift the tailgate, you can align this section and it'll come straight off. Here you got to use a socket and ratchet it off. So the instruction pictures aren't super clear, but what we've done is we've removed the tailgate cable and we've got where it was clear, and we've also got this section here. We then have our right hand side bracket, and this little ball joint connects to the bottom of the gas strut, and this will be installed in this hole here. So with the inspection cover removed from the tailgate, we've got a little bolt on a stick. Feed that through the inspection cover to this part here. So we'll remove our bolt, align this little rectangular protrusion up against this hole here on the inside, and we bolt the bracket to the tailgate. So gas strut, new cable and everything else is installed on the right hand side of the vehicle. I'm going to quickly rinse and repair on the left side and we'll see how it performs. We have a assisted tailgate, which is nice. Doesn't make a big difference to my everyday life, probably not really, but a little bit of extra luxury, I guess. So now that the tailgate assist kit's installed, we've got our Grunt tailgate seal. What we're going to do is we're going to install this real quick. It will take 5 minutes maximum, so I'll quickly run you through that. Now we've got a strip of single-sided adhesive rubber sealant. I'm going to put that on the bottom edge of the tailgate. Lower section tailgate seal is applied, side sections are applied too. We now have these single-sided adhesive foam sections. And what they do is they sit just below here. That, I believe, is just so that it'll seal this little corner piece. Tailgate assist is installed, tailgate seal is installed. Should keep most of the dust out, should keep some water splashes out, but I guess time will tell when I go up Cape. So that's it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. A little short one before the big Cape trip. Figured I'd share this a little bit of DIY with you. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.